Alright traders, tomorrow I'm going to open up above $500 by 44 cents. I don't know if I should be excited or extremely nervous because I have absolutely no cushion at all. I'll risk 44 cents tomorrow. That's what it's going to be. I didn't know I was this low. It said I was at nearly $400. I think they took the fees out on the account. And I said, you know what? I'm not funding more money because I need to learn through this. I got to learn some discipline. I got to learn how to focus and trade better. And with 400 bucks, I took a 200 share swing. I explained that all this morning in this morning's video on PXS, making over $100 on it. Get me back above 500. I got back today actually and recorded a little impromptu video on it because when I got back with my food for lunch, it was going. So I had to keep an eye on it. I really hope you guys learned something. Thanks so much for watching. This is what I've been looking for. I went over this with you guys this morning when the stock wasn't even working. In fact, I was down some on it at one point this morning in the video. I mean, I'm just transparent with you guys. That's what I try to be. I tell you what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at, why this is a high probability setup, looking at last year and the year before that. And that's the reason I'm in it. Now, should I take profit? I don't know. This is the tough place I'm in right now. I have 200 shares. How do I take a partial with 200 shares? When this is the beginning of the move that I believe. It's got great price action, great volume, could be the power hour play, and then even gap up tomorrow. So it's a tough one for me. If I had 1,000 shares, I'd probably be locking in partials along the way, but this is where I'm at. I'm at the bottom of the barrel, guys. I'm literally at the bottom of the barrel on my account. You've seen that, and this was my redemption trade. It was either this or nothing. So far, it's working out. So far, it's working out very well. I would have it right now. This is not a paid advertisement for Hardee's. I'm probably going to take it soon, guys. On my finger to sell 150 shares. Let's see what the other 50 are going to do. Alright, I'm out 150. The other 50 I'm going to let ride, baby. Let's ride. I locked out based on emotions. The reason I locked out 150 of my shares was because I knew if this thing came back down and I did not lock in enough to get me over 500, I would be so depressed. When I had it, I had what I needed and didn't take it. It's emotions. The emotions got me on that. That's why I didn't take it. Right now, I'm still holding 50 shares from $1.76. Put it in my headphones so you guys have better audio. Sorry, I just got back with my Hardee's. I'm really hungry. Normally I'd skip lunch until like 2 or 3 just because I'm watching the market. But I got back here and PXS was working. The thing is, I got into it Friday expecting this move, sometime in November. It's not even November yet. And honestly, I probably should hold those shares. This thing last year went to 12 bucks. I should probably hold them. But the thing is, my emotions get to me. I take the profit because it's like I want to be over $500. So I have my buying power back because I've been unable to trade. And it's awful. It was not easy. It was not easy. I feel like I've made it when I haven't. Because now I got to stay above 500. But that was not easy at all. It was not fun either. For a little bit there, I was unable to trade. For I think the whole last week was trading with just such small size. Having only $400 and some to trade with. But I'm showing you this video because you're able to do it too. When I'm pressed and pushed like that to make a good solid trade to get me over 500, I really start focusing on okay, what's the best setup? Like, what do I do? Because I was trying to trade like 100, 200 shares or even less than that. It wasn't happening. So at that point, I'm thinking, well, I got to swing something. I have to swing some. What do I swing? Well, last November, this is what happened. PXS, this has got some decent attention, nice price action on it for the last few days. It's above the 200-day now. It just was, all the ducks lined up for me. It really looked like a good swing. It's working out now. I had to take that profit off the table. Just emotionally speaking, I had to do it because if this thing comes back down to $1.75, $1.80, can you imagine? If I were to get back from Hardee's and this went to 245, came back down to 185. Can you imagine how awful that I would feel about going to Hardee's. When I know good and well what Hardee's is doing to my body and I'm going anyways because I need comfort food because the market's stressing me out, I go there knowing I shouldn't. I come back and the market gods are telling me you shouldn't have left to go to Hardee's. Yeah, I would have been depressed severely. Severely depressed. But now I'm glad I'm here for this, and my emotions got in the way for me to take that profit, but you know, it's slowing up a little bit here. Alright, I'm completely out, guys. Completely out. So my account is going to be at $500.44 starting tomorrow. Why? Why, guys? Why does it have to be right there? 44 cents above it. That really stresses me out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.